HansaBluebox installation. There are two HansaBluebox concealed unit models. HansaBluebox concealed unit with half-inch connections. HansaBluebox concealed unit with 3/4 inch connections and integrated closing valves. Ensure that working conditions are suitable. The hot water temperature must not exceed 90 degrees Celsius. Minimum working pressure is 1 bar and the maximum pressure is 10 bar. Optimal working pressure is 1 to 5 bar. Maximum pressure for pressure testing is 16 bar. There are several ways to install the HansaBluebox and several trim kits to use with the HansaBluebox unit. See details in the instruction manual. Check the contents of the package before starting. Installation of the HansaBluebox units and trim kits require a 27mm and 34mm spanner or a wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, an auxiliary tool or a screwdriver, 2.5mm and 5mm Allen keys. Installation of the HansaBluebox. First install the connections, for instance by putting the HansaBluebox into the vise. Model 8000 can be installed in rotation by 90-degree increments. In Model 8001, it must be ensured that hot and cold water pipes are installed in the right places, because closing valves are integrated in this model. When fitting a HansaBluebox to a system, in the wall or on the mounting plate, the box can be installed easily in the horizontal position by using the box support points. The connection points provide ample space for installing the pipes and standardized insulation. Carry out the pressure test. Use the test and flushing plug. It is pre-assembled.